Now, have you ever wondered why they are telling you to sneeze or cough into your elbow, or simply bend your arm when sneezing or coughing? All this disgusting footage means that covering your mouth as you sneeze or cough is vital for limiting the spread of diseases. But which is the best way to do it? Most people instinctively just use their hands, which is a terrible idea. All that fluid, a nice mixture of saliva, mucus, and germs, ends up on your hands, and will transfer to the next surface you touch, where it can live for at least a few hours. Furthermore, the hands usually don't cover all of the droplet cloud, and the potential for spreading disease is still high. If somebody sneezes into their hands, that creates an opportunity for those germs to be passed on to other people, or contaminate other objects that people touch. Germs are most commonly spread by the respiratory droplets emitted from sneezing and coughing. When they land on your hand, they're transmitted to things like doorknobs, elevator buttons, and other surfaces the people around you are likely to also touch. If you're coughing or sneezing in public, particularly in a healthcare space like a waiting room, you may be asked to wear a mask. Try not to take offense to this, it's for everyone's safety, including your own. If you're not wearing a mask, use a tissue to cover your mouth and nose every single time you cough or sneeze, and importantly, throw that tissue out afterwards, and if tissue is not available, then resort to coughing into your elbow. Never cough into your hands or open air. When you cough into the air, you can actually send germs as far as 3 to 6 feet in front of you. Sneezing into your elbow can effectively prevent the fluids from spreading. Whereas you could still sneeze through a tissue or hanky and end up with gunk all over your hands. Using your elbow is a good way to cover your sneeze or cough with smaller risks of contamination. Experts suggest it is better than using your hand, because you are less likely to touch surfaces or other people with your elbow than you are with your hands. Just be sure to cover your nose and mouth. Subscribe.